Good morning, my respected viewers, academician, research scholars and students. Today I am going to decipher meaningfully the Indus text in Koya language and the grammatical structure of the Koya language, Agundi language, and so unique social cultural value of the Koiturian people. As many scholars and academicians are still doing research and trying to find out the meaning of the Indus text, symbols and artifacts inscribed on the small tablets, seals, ceilings, copper material, etc. But no one could able to decipher meaningfully a single text with consistency. So, on the basis of the Rauthan Mahadevan's compilation in the text, concordance and table and works of model for the decipherment of Indus script by the Walter Fair Service, American ecologist and great scholar, and Indian scholar, Gondi scholar, 89th Lingo, Dr. Motiram Kangali, belonging to Nagpur. On the basis of these three people's works, today I am able to decipher and crack all the texts and symbols individually and in combined in sentence meaningfully. So, I am today would like to reveal these truth through the meaningful decipherment of the different texts and symbols excavated and compiled by the scholars. So, these are the attempts made by the different peoples, prominent people, Irauthan Mahadevan, Konorojeva, Subbarayappa, S.R. Rao's interpretation as Vedic literature. Next, Asko Parpola is doing research and put more than 5 decades work in this direction, but in the sense of the deciphering the industry he could not be able to crack. He particularly inclined to say that this is Dravidian language and culture, but in text any text of science will not able to decipher in Tamil languages. And even Walter Fair Service had done a great work, he could not attempt on the basis of 8 languages of Dravidian, that is DED or DDR, DDR. Only जो estimation has been done by him, about 46 texts has been tried by Walter Fair Service, but with not consistency on the other text. But Dr. Kangali's decipherment about 225 texts and more than 225 individual science identification and its meaning and interpretation, how appropriately being fitted or adjusted in the Indus text by me, and it gives the correct meaning and on the basis of correct grammatical structure of the Koitur, Koya, Gondi language. Next, Gregor L. Pasehli also have done a great work and written many several lot of volume about the Indus text and compiled of the different articles in his books, but it is the persons, a personality who have done a great work is Walter Fair Service and Motiram Kangali. Others, Andrew Robinson, J. Mark Conway are still doing research for deciphering the Indus script text meaningfully, but could not possible for them to crack the meaning. And ongoing efforts are by Kalyan Raman, Nisa Yadav et al. Working at TFIR Bombay, and M. Danino is presently working in IIT Ahmedabad, Gujarat. He is also trying to decipher, but only the compilation and making the syntaxes and other view about different way and applying the different computer models and computer technique to decipher, but till date they are not able to decipher the any text meaningfully, and they are able to make understand to academia or scholars. R.P.N. Rao and many others are working. But today I will explain each sign and text meaningfully with consistency very easily. These are the main sources of my studies compiled by the Asko Parpola, Rauthan Mahadevan, Walter Fair Service, and in Hindi, which is very remarkable to be noted that any scholars and researchers would like to know the actual decipherment and cracking the meaning of the Indus text and script. There he has to go through these books of the Dr. Kangali, Sandhu Lipika Gondi में उद्वाचन, decipherment of Indus script in Gondi, Gondwana Court Darshan for the understanding and knowing the different codes which are very similarly and analogously found in their text. Different codes names are found in text of the Indus text, and cultural value and cultural legacy of the Koiturs of India presently. Gondwana का संस्कृत इतिहास by Dr. Kangali, scripted by Dr. Kangali. These three books and Walter Fairservice book will prove very useful for the researchers and decipherer who are trying and engaging themselves to decipher the Indus text meaningfully or know the actual sense of the each signs and symbols and text. So today I will decipher meaningfully and will read with fluency of each text on the basis of the Dr. Kangali's identification, their meanings and compilation of the glossary of the pre-Dravidian Koitur's words for each signs and variant signs, and how exactly I am going to fit all these terms in the Indus text to find out the meaningfully sense of the text. This text has been excavated from Harappa, which is presently located at eastern of Punjab province, Pakistan. Text number is 4275. Other 6 digit denotes different materials, line up side, line up text symbol, line up text, and last is number indicates for direction. One sign indicates from right to left, 2 is left to right, third is single sign, and likewise. So from this text, how many Indus signs are there? From right to left, I am going to count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sign. From right to left, each sign I will explain. First sign I identify as gondola. Next is diacritical mark, possessive case tor. Third is talapo, likewise madisar, murapo, nurmun, ambana, nail. There is a last but one, there is amb sign, and lower side it has added with the diacritical mark nayata, that is ambana. Means arrow or means water also. From left to right, gondola, tor, talapo, madisar, murapo, nurmun, ambana, nail. That is in Hindi. समुदाय का शीर्ष मुखिया, सभापति, मुरापो, श्रेष्ठ माता का खेती स्थल. How this text is giving the sense that there is a mother-centered society. You can say in other words, maternal authority were prevailing in the Indus Valley civilizations, and society was governed by the female power, a female authority, not by the patriarchal society or male powered. It indicates and gives the information that the people were very much nearer to or living with the adjustment with our natures and entities along with their environment. In English, it is the first farm site of highest chief, assembly chairperson, prime chief, great mother of the gondola. Gondola means community, a group of human beings. Next, same from right to left. First sign is nar, second is nail, likewise ana, undi, korikira, nail patu, kaudialand. From left to right, nal nerana, nar nelana, undi korikira, nail patu, kaudialand. Some signs are joined or integrated to make the text meaningfully. Already this information has been discussed in grammatical structure or grammatical theme of the Indus script by me. In Hindi, ग्राम खेती का प्रथम कृषक पश्चिमी संरक्षक है. In Hindi, ग्राम खेती का प्रथम कृषक पश्चिमी संरक्षक है. In English, it is the western guardian first peasant of village farm या village farming. Next, it has also been deciphered from read from right to left. First sign is Nelpatu, Sireng, Poi, likewise Padu, Portugal, Ira, Khuti, Pakal, Nor, Nel, and last sign is And, which is very much frequently occurring at the end of the text, of the Indus text. From left to right, Nelpatu, Sireng, Poi, Padu, Portugal, ईरा खूटी पकाल नोर नेल आंध मीन्स इन हिंदी पश्चिमी दक्षिणी मुखिया पदु पोर्तुगाल अन्न संग्रहक वितरक का खेती स्थल है. इन इंग्लिश इट इज़ द फार्म साइट ऑफ ग्रेन कलेक्टर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर वेस्ट सदर्न चीफ पदु पोर्तुगाल. पदु पोर्तुगाल इज द नेम ऑफ पर्सन. सेकेंड साइड हैविंग नो टेक्स्ट. Next sign is Indus text is from right to left having the 5 signs, Indus signs, that is first sign is Potu of Portugal. It is having the variant different terms for this sign. Patu, first sign is Potu, Portugal, Portugal. 3 terms are being used and identified in Koitur Koya language, but in English it is the symbol, a sign of the horizon sun. Next is Kalta, third is Andi. Next Paratiyalar या Paratiyar. Last is Kaudiyalan. This sign is made of combined with 3 individual signs, that is Kaudi plus Al plus And. From left to right, Pottu Kalta Andi, Paratiyalar Kaudiyaland means सूर्यवंशी आद्य कपास मालिक संरक्षक है. In English, सूर्यवंशी is the first cotton owner guardian. Next sign is, next text is with 2 signs. From right to left, this 2 vertical stroke is identified as Ira Iru. Also it gives meaning in Koya, this or yah in Hindi, or Ir means place. But you have to fit in this text meaningfully, how it will give the meaning. Second is identified as Ala. Ala means measuring part. Or after combining, you can pronunciate it or pronounce as Irala, या uttered as Irala. In Hindi means 2 माप. In English 2 measurements, माने 2 measuring parts. Next, it has been found from the Channu Daro, which is located at south of the Mohenjo-daro in Sindh Prant, now in Pakistan. Text is identified and given the name as 6132-100-101, page 147 from the Rauthan Mahadevan's Indus text. Concordance and table. From right to left, it has been read and corrected meaningfully, very easily, and how with fluency and consistency it gives the meaning in Koitur and Koya language. First sign is Andi, already discussed. Second is identified as Mars. Next is diacritical mark Tor, that is possessive case. Next is Kova, it has also been discussed. Umbral. Last is And, which is frequently occurring at the end of the Indus text. From left to right, Andi Marsko Tor, Andi Marsk Tor, Kova Umbral And. In Hindi, पहला महीन रेशम धागों का कोवा मालिक है. कोवा इज नेम ऑफ पर्सन या वन मेंबर ऑफ ए कोवा कम्युनिटी. कोवा इज द ओनर ऑफ द फर्स्ट थिन सिल्क थ्रेड. इन इंग्लिश, कोवा इज द ओनर ऑफ द फर्स्ट थिन सिल्क थ्रेड. Next, from right to left, Urkot Tor, which is very frequently occurring at the initial stage of the text, at the beginning of the text, Urkot Tor, whose frequency is more than the And sign in the text. From right to left, Urkot Tor, Potukoya, Murapo, Nurmun. Last is R. Last sign is Indus sign is R. From left to right, Urkot Tor, Potkoya, Murapoi, Nurmunar. Urkot ka Potkoya you can say in Hindi Suryavanshi कोया. उरकोट का पोत कोया प्रधान मुखिया सर्वशक्तिशाली है. Nurmuna is the name of person and Nurmuna means also सर्वशक्तिशाली, means all powerful. In English, Potkoya, prime chief of Urkot. Urkot is a place of site, village, a small town. All powerful means Potkoya, prime chief of Urkot, all powerful. Next sign, Indus text is from right to left. First sign identifies Murapur. Second is Murapen and Burapen. It is the name of deity which is also prevailing in Koitur society and Koya people. They offer gongo or worship such type of pen या deity which is called Murapen या Burapen, and given by engraver and inscriber of the Indus Valley people. A human being is in standing position and wearing some horn like symbol, that is Murra या Burra is called in Koitur Koya language, and same sign is similar is being used by their ancestor earlier, and now their descendants are using this name in their social life and cultural value, that is Murapo, Murapen, Kaudial Ana, means Murapo, Murapen, Ana, Kaudial. From left to right, Murapo, Burapen, Ana, Kaudial. Last sign is combination of two signs, Kaudia, Kaudi plus all, human like figure all. In Hindi, प्रधान मुखिया बुर्रा पेन या मुर्रा पेन का संरक्षक, प्रधान मुखिया मुर्रा पेन का संरक्षक, मुर्रा पेन डेटी or देव. In English, prime chief, the guardian of Burra Pen. Next, from right to left, Iru Madisar, Akka Maritor. Each sign with meaning. From left to right, Iru Madisar, Akka Maritor means यह सभा विषय माता पुत्र का, means agenda or subject meeting. This meeting agenda of the mother's son. Means at that time there was a subject or agenda for discussion in the Madi of the Indus Valley people, which this text gives that this is the agenda point of the mother's sons, means Akka mother's son. In English, this meeting agenda of the mother's son or this meeting agenda of the Akka's son. Akka means mother. Next, from right to left, this sign identifies Iru, two vertical stroke. Second is people tree like, which adjective meaning is Ali or Ari in Koya language. Same third one is Ana. Here is acting as a possessive case. I have already discussed and told about this sign. This gives the sense of is at the end of the text and in between also very rarely, but frequently at the end. And last sign is there is a slant which is identified as and vertical two stroke again is Ir. How it gives the meaning and identification in Koya Koitur language? Iru Ali Ana Ir means yah. Ir means yah. Ali means मुखिया या राजा. आना means possessive case का या genitive case का. Amb means पानी. Ir means स्थल. How easily and very fluently it gives the meaning in Koya Koitur language with the identification of the language of Indus text in Koya language and Koiturian grammatical structure. In English, this is the water site of the chief or king. Next, this text is excavated and compiled from the Lothal, that is in India, near the village Saragwala, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, Lothal. This sign given the number 7028, last 6 digit. Already have discussed about the meaning of these digits. From right to left, I am going to read and correct the meaning in each symbol and sign. I am going to discuss and identified with the pronunciation in the Koya language, in Hindi, followed by in English. First sign identifies Madisar. There is a rectangular shape. Under it there is a 6 stroke, or you can say diacritical mark. It is identified as Madisar. It is also called Sar in Koya language, 6 stroke. Second is Andi. Third is Serapo. Likewise, this sign is Talapo and supplemented as 4 diacritical mark is put above side 2 stroke mark and below side a lower side 2 stroke mark, and it is identified as Talapo Karek. And last but one is Satar. This is just like one equipment apparatus, which means controller. Last sign is very important to know here, that this is the sign of Mada, means tree, which is the name of clan या पारी या गोत्र of the कोयतूर society, Mada, Madavi Gotraj. In Hindi, Madisar, Andi, Serapoy, Talapoy, Karek, Satar, Mada means सभा मुखिया, आदि ज्येष्ठ मुखिया, शीर्ष मुखिया, पूजक, नियंत्रक, मडावी गोत्रज. Here is no and sign, that's why I am not using is, but sense is that कि सभा मुखिया, आदि ज्येष्ठ मुखिया, शीर्ष मुखिया, पूजक, नियंत्रक मडावी गोत्रज है. In English, assembly chairperson, first senior chief. Here first means initial या first. Assembly chairperson, first senior chief, worshipper of highest chief, controller मडावी गोत्रज हैं. Assembly chairperson, first senior chief, worshipper of highest chief, controller मडावी गोत्रज. Next, 5 index signs are there from right to left. First sign is identified as Tugga, second is Koti, third is Katiyalar, fourth is Anna. Here the An is acting as a possessive case and it is pronounced identified as Anna. Last is Kaudiyal, Kaudi plus all. From left to right, Tugga, Koti, Kaudiyal, Anna, Kaudilar means धान भंडार गृह, ढेर सारा ईंधन का संरक्षक. इन इंग्लिश, गार्जियन ऑफ ग्रेन स्टोर हाउस, heap of wooden fuel. Next, it is also has been deciphered and read from right to left. First sign is Nur or Nuru, second is Tugga, third is Andi, likewise Undi. There is a 12 small stroke is identified as Pir. Next is Muthwapo, chief preceptor. Last but one is An, Ana. And last is all human like figure which indicates and gives many meaning. All means this, human being, individual, king and other meaning also. According to reference and context of the Indus text, it has been identified and meaning has been taken of this sign. And last, Anna plus all, after combining it will become Annal, means king or controller. From left to right, after combining sub sign, initial 3 signs are being combined here and give the pronunciation या pronounce as Nurtu Gandhi, Tor, Undi, Pir, Muthwapo, Annal means Nurtu Gandhi का प्रथम पीर, मुठवापो शासक. Annal means शासक, controller या king या राजा. In English, first पीर मुठवापो of Nurtu Gandhi is ruler or captain. Next, this text has been found and excavated at the Kalibangan, that is northern Rajasthan, near left river bank of the Ghaggar Hakra. This river is flowing between these states which has been already mentioned by me, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan state. How text has been read? There is 4 Indus signs from right to left, same very familiar sign, Koya. How Koya is identified as a Koya community or Koya race? This sign. And next is Gondola. This sign is gondola, which gives the sense of centralized place or the person who is living in the centralized way in their social life. That is found in the indigenous people or Koitur peoples who are living in Gand, in centralized way in their social life and cultural life. You can see their dances or songs being performed in group, not as an individual, mostly in groups and collectively. All these information and unique cultural value can be studied by the scholars and research students to know the correct meaning, and they have to be able to explain each and every sign, not only in the sense of the text but in the sense of the practical life, how you are going to explain and give the answer for the queries. It is very important. From right to left, Koya, Gondola, Urkot, Ambara. This sign is plus added with ali or ara, half leaf of the peepal tree. From left to right, Koya, Gondola, Urkot, Ambara means कोया समुदाय का उरकोट माता की बाड़ी, अंबारा मीन्स माता की बाड़ी, दैट इज स्थल या श्राइन. उरकोट श्राइन दैट इज पायस प्लेस ऑफ द मदर ऑफ कोया. गोंदोला मीन्स उरकोट श्राइन ऑफ द मदर ऑफ कोया गोंदोला. कोया गोंदोला की माँ की यह पवित्र स्थल है इन हिंदी. अगेन आई वुड लाइक टू एक्सप्लेन इट. कोया समुदाय का उरकोट माता की बाड़ी. देर इज नो साइन ऑफ इज, दैट्स आई एम नॉट यूजिंग द वर्ड सेंस इज ओनली. दिस इज द इंडिकेशन ऑफ कोया समुदाय का उरकोट माता की बाड़ी. मीन्स कोया समुदाय जो उरकोट स्थल है वहाँ पर माता की बाड़ी है, माने पेन ठाना है. दैट इज उरकोट श्राइन ऑफ द मदर ऑफ कोया गोंदोला. गोंदोला मीन्स कम्युनिटी. नेक्स्ट 3 signs are there from right to left. Kova, Ana, Aya. Here after combining initial 2 signs, Kovana, Aya. In Hindi, Kova ki Mata means Kova's mother. There is 3-4 signs for indicating of the mother, that is Ambaral, Ambana, Aya and Ambal. Next from right to left, first sign is Andi, next is Sagapari, Mitta Poeta, Nelpatu, Pratalar, Ambaral, And. From left to right, Andi, Sagapari, Mutwa Poeta, Nelpatu, Pratalar, Ambaral, And. How easily is giving the sense in sentence and with fluency I am reading and deciphering the text. Everybody can pay attention which are watching my explanation. आदि सगा गोत्रज पर्वती मुखिया का पश्चिमी कपास मालिक माता है. हियर आल्सो जो माता टर्म्स मदर word has deciphered, it gives that there is a mother centered society. In English, first Sagapari, mountain range chief of western cotton owner is mother. Next, having 5 signs from right to left, same Madisar, Andi, Air, Kalwai, And. Means from left to right, Madisar, Andi, Air, Kalwai, And. Means Madisar means Sabha Pramukh, Andi means Pratham, Air, Kalwai means Jal Pradayak, And means hai. Very much clear in the sentence, just like Hindi. सभा प्रमुख प्रथम जल प्रदायक है. In English, assembly chief is first water provider or water giver. Next, 4 signs are there. From right, already discussed, and this sign is Tugga, second is Paratalar, third is Ana. In between, that's why it is pronounced as Ana, not And. Last is Kira. From left to right, Tugga, Paratalar, Ana, Kira. Means Tugga means Anaj Ambar, Paratalar means Vastr Ambar, Ana means specific case key, Kira means Nishani. The Kira is similar to the comb, present comb, like symbol is there. In Hindi, Anaj Ambar, Vast Ambar ki Nishani. In English, in sign of या mark of grain heap, cloth sheaf. Next, having 5 signs from right to Urkot Tor. This Urkot Tor combination paired sign is very much occurring at the beginning of the Indus text. It should be noted that after observing the many Indus texts compiled by the Iravathan Mahadevan in their his text book. Third is, this is a left side picture, means knee, identify knee. Third is potally type symbol, that is muri, a bundle, you can say in English. Last but one is potukoya, last is again and. After making these explanation and each sign's meaning, any person can easily decipher and read these Indus text, but condition that they should have gone through the work of the Iravathan Mahadevan's Walter Affair Service, and in Hindi, most prominent grammatical structure and explanation of cultural value compiled by the Dr. Motirao Kangali. From left to right, उरकोट का तेल भंडारी पोत कोया है. Very small sense and in one sentence in English, पोत कोया is oil storer or hoarder of the Urkot. Next, from right to left, first sign is gondola. Second is, there is worm type shape of the worm, a picture of the worm, Ilam Gotraj. Next is Ambal. Next is Kaltor. Next is Danda. Last is Kaudyaland, means Gondola, Ilam Gotraj, Ambal, Kaltor, Danda, Kaudyaland. In Hindi, समुदाय के इलाम गोत्रज माता परिवार का पुत्र अधिपति है. In English, son of Amba family, Ilam Gotraj of the community is guardian. Next, there is 4 Indus signs from right to left. Very frequently, it has been also seen this symbol and sign. Nar, next is nail, third is Ana, last is Kira. Nar, Nelana, Kira. After combining 2 signs, Nelana. In Hindi, Gram Krishi ki Nisani. How indicate that ki Indus Valley people were peasants and doing the work of the farming. Landmark of village farming in English. Next is having 3 Indus signs from right to left. This sign is identified as Ala. Second is Potukoya, very frequently occurring in the text. And last is Ana, Rand, as per the text, the references of the text should be read. From left to right, Ala, Potukoya, Ana, or Potukoya Mapak hai in Hindi. Potukoya is measurement, a measuring part. As we know very much that research on the Indus Valley script decipherment is still going on, and the testing of the data and conclusion advanced by Dr. Motirao Kangali and works compiled in their books is very useful for the Indus script researchers to do the research on the line of the Dr. Kangali, which is going to give clues, and like me, anybody can read very easily the all text and symbols which has been identified and compiled, given the variant names of the each symbols in Koitur language, and the suggestion given by the Walter Affair Service in his book already have discussed. So, it is very much important here too, we should come forward to protect the culture and rituals of the Koitur people of the Koyamuri Deep, and very evidences are much available on the initiative and dispassionate intellectual endeavor yet to come in this direction, so that we can reconstruct the history of the people whose life is deeply varied and under the concocted story, a framed story and competing historical claims. At the end, I would like to tell an urge. I would like to tell a request that Dr. Kangali has opined while deciphering or cracking the meaning of Indus scheme in Koituriya Gundu language, that all the signs and symbol lessons of Indus script can be meaningfully be deciphered in Gondi like me language, and along with the Koitur's rich socio-cultural legacy which are densely populated in Indian highland of Middle India. Thank you very much.